mga nahihirapan for A2P approval sa Go High Level, this is your answer. Update guys ni Go High Level under Trust Center. So guys, for A2P verification approval, meron na tayong registration flow. So pwede ka nang pumili kung quick setup or manual setup. So for quick setup, of course, fastest path to approval. No configuration needed, fields are pre-filled. Lower risk of compliance mistake, best choice for most standard campaigns. So kung standard lang yung campaign nyo guys, of course recommended, piliin nyo yung quick setup. For manual setup, it's more advanced guys. So this is for cases na gusto mong full control over everything. So ikaw mismo yung mag-fill out ng lahat ng details manually like opt-in, process messaging, and other configuration. So ito yung piliin mo. Okay, so ganito siya guys. Naka-pre-filled na siya. Hindi na siya editable. So si system na mismo or si Go High Level na mismo yung nag-pre-filled niyan. Then nakalagay na rin dito guys yung business website compliance checklist. So pag kumpleto kayo guys, pwede nyo nang isubmit yung A2P.
Good job, Go High Level. Di na kami mahirapan.